So here in this masterclass, you will learn everything. Ayan, so no gatekeeping inside. You are paying for it and there's no gatekeeping. I will teach you everything that I did to land premium clients so you don't have to figure it out yourself. Okay, kahit hindi ka pa Go High Level certified admin, you can still land your premium clients because that's how I started. When I started landing my premium clients, hindi pa po ako Go High Level certified admin that time. So ibig sabihin, it's also possible for you and that's what I am also teaching inside. Yung mga students ko po from previous batches, they got their premium clients kahit na hindi pa po sila Go High Level certified admins. Okay, and then here in this masterclass, step by step, detailed and taglish Go High Level lessons so you can master the tool. And number 3, learn marketing strategies as well that I used so you can also learn it and offer them to your clients, making you an expert and a valuable asset. So here's a good thing here inside the masterclass. Nakikita niyo sa mga advertisement na about na siya sa Go High Level, but that's not really it. Inside, you will see lessons related sa email marketing, related sa sales funnel, related sa social media marketing. You will see those things also inside because as what I mentioned with you earlier, I started as a digital marketer. And right now, I am just using Go High Level to perform to perform digital marketing strategies, which I will also be sharing with you inside the masterclass. So hindi lang po siya about Go High Level, it's Go High Level plus marketing. That's what you will learn inside. And lastly, to prepare you for an interview or a discovery call. Ayan, which is, this will help you na talagang embody or ma-apply mo yung natutunan mo dito sa loob ng masterclass. Kasi what is learning, di ba, if you can practice them with an actual client. So the goal of this masterclass is not just for you to master Go High Level, but also to land your clients even before your batch ended. Kasi possible po siya. At nangyari na po yan from the previous batches. Okay? So let me just share with you some of the wins from batch 2. Batch 2 lang po to. And then these are just some of the wins. Ito siya si Danica. So she started na zero knowledge talaga sa Go High Level. Actually, she shared with me during our one-on-one coaching na she enrolled before in a 15,000 pesos worth of course related siya sa Amazon. Okay, but this time, she tried once again to enroll in a course and lo and behold, before the end of the batch, nakalan po siya ng client niya sa Go High Level. Again, it's her first time na gumamit or mag-aral ng Go High Level and then offering it to a client. And you know what's good thing? Binigyan po siya ng another task outside Go High Level that leads her to earn eto. Pero naka-blur siya, but she earned that. Even outside sa ina-earn niya as a Go High Level specialist. Ayan, so ang daming opportunities. Another then is ito si Don. Before the masterclass ended then, he also got the chance to land his premium client. Okay, his Go High Level client, which is ito naman related sa web design and funnel building. Okay, and then ito yung pinakamalupit talaga sa batch nila si Jimwell. Okay, si Jimwell po, grabe sobra yung commitment and time and effort na binigay niya. Kasi within the week na nag-start yung masterclass, natapos na yung lesson, natapos niya yung assessment, and within 7 days po, nakaland siya ng client niya sa Go High Level. So this simply proves that if you will just give your commitment, your time, and your effort in this masterclass, you can really see result. Now, nangyari naman dito is I have a client before which is actually happening inside. I am really sharing opportunities. Later, when you get inside the FB community, you will see there some of the opportunities na sinishare ko talaga sa loob. Kasi I have a lot of clients in the past na nag-reach out pa rin sa akin, and even new clients na nag-reach out pa rin sa akin. They are mostly referrals and then inbound clients. So what I'm doing kasi hindi ko kayang i-handle lahat and wala po akong agency and I'm not really into creating an agency right now. So I am referring my students to them. So yan yung nangyari kay Jimwell kasi nakita ko yung parang commitment niya and then yung output niya rin sa designing kaya I referred him to my client before. Kaya yun siya, within a week naka-close siya ng client. And then right now po, before the masterclass ended, may 2 client na po siya sa Go High Level. So you will actually meet him pag andun na kayo sa Completer Slack channel, which I will be discussing as well in this onboarding. Ayan. All right, so ito na. Here's what you get inside the masterclass, guys. Number one is lifetime access of the course that includes additional lessons and future updates. Coach, lifetime po ba siya? Yes po, andito na po. It's lifetime. So, ibig sabihin, kahit natapos na po yung batch nyo, you can still access our course. Again, that includes as well the additional lessons and future updates sa loob ng course. Again, that's for a lifetime. Another is a 4 weekly live coaching. Ayan. Siyempre, hindi po kasali yung onboarding natin today. So may 4 weekly live coaching po tayo where you can ask questions and find support. You can also share your wins and ask for live demo. Okay, let's say for example, so from the previous batches, let's say may mga clients na sila, so they tend to ask kung anong gagawin sa mga ganito na mga scenarios, ganito ganyan, or para may pumasok sa mind nila na, Coach, possible po ba nagawa natin ng automation? Ito. So we are also doing that inside the live coaching. Okay, so again, it's also tailored and customized to your needs as my students. All right, and then another thing is 1 month access to a shared actual Go High Level sub account so you can practice while learning and build your portfolio. I just want to give emphasis dito sa pag-build ng inyong portfolio. Okay, most of the testimonies din po ng mga previous batches, ang laking tulong po talaga ng portfolio nila. Okay, that's the one of the reasons why they got an interview. It's because of their portfolios. Okay, so that is part. Ayan, so every time you are learning the lesson and then syempre may shared sub account kayo. So you are also exploring the tool while you are learning. Take a screenshot. Okay, take a screenshot and then inside po you can see naman samples of the portfolios. So take a screenshot, look at the sample portfolios and then use those screenshots to build your portfolios. Okay? Yung mga automations na gagawin nyo, yung mga calendar setup na gagawin nyo, yung mga landing pages na gagawin nyo, yun po lahat. Take a screenshot or take a video of those things and then ilagay nyo po sila sa portfolio nyo. Okay? So use all of those sa portfolio nyo. Again, that's only 1 month access po. And then, once you are ready to take the assessment, you will also see there the link where you can use a free Go High Level agency account for 30 days. Again, it's an agency account. So magkaiba po siya sa 1 month access sa sub account. So therefore, again, you will see the link where you can access the Go High Level for free within 30 days. So ibig sabihin, you can get access to the agency and lahat po ng tools sa loob ng Go High Level. For 30 days, magkaiba po yun sila. Okay, so Kriska, yes po. May access po kayo sa recording na to. I will be uploading this one dun sa Facebook group natin so that you can watch it while you're scrolling sa Facebook na. Okay? Alright. And then, another thing as well, you will get a Slack channel for your batch, which I believe andun na po kayo lahat. So if wala pa po kayong, or hindi pa po kayo nakapasok doon, let me know para I can add you there. So again, that's for your batch. And another one, once you pass the assessment, you'll be added to the completers channel where OJT or internship, job opportunities, and extra push are posted. So yeah, I also want to give emphasis dito sa extra push. All right. So sa batch 2 po kasi, which I will also be doing sa batch nyo, nag-launch kami ng 7-day client getting challenge. So lahat mo nang sasali sa challenge na yon, may mga mechanics kami na fina-follow and then extra push din po siya. And then the good thing for that 7-day client getting challenge is tatlo po ng mga students nagka-client within 7 days because they joined that challenge. So if you really want to see results po dito sa loob, join every challenge na nilo-launch namin dito sa loob ng masterclass. Okay, I'm so excited for your batch as well. And then another thing is private FB group community. All right. So everything you need to succeed are provided. That's what I can say. And then, but your success, of course, requires your commitment. Number 2, you to show up even if at times you don't feel like showing up. May mga ganun po talaga ng mga araw. Like you don't feel like showing up, hindi ko feel ngayon na mag-aral. Okay, just show up, just do it. Kahit na 10 minutes lang. If you don't feel like learning today, kahit na isang lesson lang ngayon, tapos tomorrow bawi ka na naman. Okay? And then your time as well, your effort. And lastly is for you to ask for help. So always remember this one. You are not a burden when you ask for questions or support. Okay? You are not a burden when you ask for questions or support. But just mind as well na hindi lang po ito yung buhay ko. So if you want to ask for help or question, you can use the Slack channel that we have. You can also send me a DM sa Slack. Okay? Para masagot po natin yung mga katanungan niyo. All right. And I think we are down to the last part of this onboarding. So again, this is not just a course. This is coaching, everyone. No? Only when you can differentiate the two will you start moving accordingly. Okay, so don't just treat this as a course. May coach po kayo na tutulong sa inyo. And if you have any questions, ask me. We have our channel. You can ask there. You can throw questions there as well. Kahit na po na nagka-client na po kayo, feel free to ask questions. Okay? Feel free to ask questions. Actually, may mga clients na sila po yung mas maingay. Kasi sila po yung mas maraming tanong. And then kahit na wala pa kayong clients, feel free to ask questions. Huwag kayong mahihiyang magtanong. Alright? Huwag mahihiyang magtanong. So may question si Eliza. Coach, for the weekly meetings, usually po ba ganitong oras po? Thank you. No, for the live coaching, are you guys fine with a Saturday 9 p.m.? If you're fine with that, reply 1 sa chat. Saturday 9 p.m. We have 1, 2, dalawa. Or if you have any suggestions, chat nyo na rin. Okay, 1, 2. Mostly 1. Ayan, mostly 1. I can feel it. Ayan, so feeling ko mostly 1, yeah, mostly. Or 6 p.m. May isang 6 p.m. Sige, if you want 6 p.m. naman, message 2. 6 p.m. din, dalawa. Doon na lang ako tambay sa TikTok mo, coach. Or 1. May 2, tatlo na yung 2, pero mas marami pa rin yung 1. Okay, 4, 5, 6. Okay, count ko ulit. Okay, dokie, yung 9 p.m. we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Actually, nakakalahati na po tayo. 22. Yung iba, 23. Okay, so yun po, majority wins kasi 46 lang naman kayo. Yep, recorded na naman yung weekly calls natin. So if ever di ka maka-attend, you can watch the recording. Ayan. Okay, so let's go with Saturday 9 p.m. everyone. That's the schedule of your live coaching, okay? Yan. Okay, now we are opening the floor for the Q&A. But actually, before we proceed dyan, let me just give you a quick tour sa loob ng course. Ayan, so once you get access po, this is what you will see inside. You will see 3 courses, but actually, I will be deleting na this live coaching session kasi lahat ng mga live coaching natin, pinupost ko na siya diretso dun sa Facebook group para mas madali nyo siyang ma-access. Ayan. So dito nyo makikita po lahat ng classes related sa Go High Level. And from the basics hanggang dun sa complex. So you will see here what is Go High Level, difference ng agency versus sub-account. Ayan, you will see everything here sa calendars, pipelines, marketing ng Go High Level. Ayan, sites, workflows, and automations. Ito yung final assessment. And then you will also get access to the skills booster. And dito yung the conversion system, build funnels, pipelines, and automations that fill your clients. This is based on a case study. Okay? This is based on a case study na ginawa ko sa client ko where I set up a landing page na naka-attach sa pipeline and then naka-attach din yung automation that leads her getting 300 plus leads in a month. So yung result niyan, binigyan niya ako ng bonus. So I also want you to experience that with your clients. So that's why I'm also sharing the system with you. Okay? Another email campaign reporting plus template, social media marketing, how to last an email bounce rate part 1 and part 2, how to add products and discounts to your Go High Level landing page. That's step by step. How to automate review requests in Go High Level part 1. I'm also creating another video. Actually, I will be teaching that on our first live coaching. So magsa-set up tayo next Saturday ng another review request automation. Live po natin yan gagawin. Okay? And then how to use post webhook and inbound webhook. Dito po papasok yung mga APIs natin in Go High Level. And then how to create an email drip campaign in Go High Level using automations without a trigger. And it keeps on growing po. Yung sa skills booster natin. Mostly, ginagawa ko yung mga skills booster lesson by demand. So, ibig sabihin, if one of my students would ask me, Coach, gawa ka nito, Coach, gawa ka niyan, then I am also doing it. Okay, kasi hindi po kasi lahat, as for now, kaya kong gawan ng video kasi hindi ko na alam kung ano talaga yung super kailangan ng mga estudyante. But the basics and the fundamentals of Go High Level, of course, andito na po yan. Yung skills booster is para po siya sa mga more complex na related sa Go High Level. And then if you want to go back to the main course, click nyo lang to dito and then go to the courses again. And then it will lead you back to the course. And then another folder, you will see this client getting proven strategies. Okay. Now dito sa loob, you will see how you can create an offer, building your portfolio, profile optimization, resume, my leads tracker din tayo so you can keep yourself organized while you are hunting clients. Create a high converting cover letter. This is again based on a case study. Applying for Google job, andito na rin. Step-by-step guide on how to ace an interview, and this is an actual interview of me doing an interview. Then andyan na rin po yung step-by-step guide. Another video also that I added here is a discovery call that I did with a real estate client. Yeah, so you will have an idea on how you should handle interviews and discovery calls, okay? And here you can schedule your mock interview with me once you're ready. And then I also added here this a new course or a new lesson, how to land clients in Upwork from 10 digits, from 10, from $10 project to 2 digits dollar per hour. I also share that inside. So I'm not gatekeeping for all of my students. You can also see here some of the mock interviews that I did with my students. You will also get more ideas on how you should handle interviews as well. Especially kasi ito mas maganda kasi from beginners. Ayan, so you will also have an idea kung ano yung mga possible questions and then how you should handle it as well. More are coming pa dito sa mga mock interviews, and yung iba ini-edit ko pa.